Hello friend, 100 days every day 30-minute running challenge today day 37.
ইটের ভাটা গলা দিয়া আগুন জ্বালাইছে দেওয়ানা বানাইছে কি জাদু করিয়া বন্দে
Now I will start my run. Look, this is Pioneer University first campus area. I was done 3 minutes. Look, my back. So many bus are there. This bus here for Bangladeshi students go to our house every morning. Yesterday at that bus, I also go to Bangladesh. Look, this is on bus. I was complete 5 minutes, remaining 25 minutes. I was done 10 minutes, remaining 20 minutes. Look, this wall of me, and this is dead road. So many runners also there. I was done halfway point, and look this. I was done 20 minutes, remaining 10 minutes. I was done 26 minutes, remaining 4 minutes. You can give back. This is sort of I was done almost complete 30 seconds only remaining.
Target reached. Lap 15. Lap distance 0.44 kilometers. Lap pace 4 minutes 30 seconds. Duration 30 minutes. Distance 6.2 kilometers. Current pace 4 minutes 52 seconds. Average pace 4 minutes 50 seconds.